Let's be honest, when people talk about buying a new SUV, most of them get hypnotized by the design, the screens, or the horsepower. But those things fade fast. What really matters, the thing that separates a smart buyer from a regretful one, is reliability. Because once the excitement wears off, you're left with one question. Will this car take care of me when I need it most? Think about it. An unreliable SUV doesn't just waste your money, it quietly steals your peace of mind. Every weird noise, every warning light, every trip to the mechanic, it's like a slow, invisible tax on your confidence. But the reliable ones, they feel different. You wake up, turn the key, and there's no anxiety, no hesitation, just trust. That's what you're really buying. And in 2025, with automakers flooding the market with flashy new tech and hybrid gimmicks, it's getting harder to know which SUVs actually last and which are just marketing miracles waiting to break down. So today, we're cutting through the noise. No hype, no bias, just the 5 most reliable SUVs of 2025. The ones that will still be standing strong when the others are begging for repairs. If you care about long-term value, peace of mind, and true quality, this list might just save you from making a very expensive mistake. 1. Toyota Highlander, the definition of dependability. The Highlander is the SUV that never betrays you. Toyota doesn't chase trends. It perfects trust. Its 2.4-liter turbo engine is built for endurance, not excitement, meaning it quietly saves you from future repair bills. Every system feels over-engineered for longevity. It's not the car that impresses you, it's the one that protects you. If reliability were a religion, the Highlander would be its temple. 2. Honda Pilot, the unbreakable family warrior. The Honda Pilot is like that one friend who never complains, no matter how much weight you put on their shoulders. Built to survive family chaos, long road trips, and brutal weather, it's engineered for overperformance, not overcomplication. The result? Minimal breakdowns, low maintenance costs, and confidence every single day. It's a workhorse disguised as a family SUV, and that's what makes it legendary. 3. Lexus RX, luxury without weakness. The Lexus RX is proof that luxury doesn't have to mean fragility. Every piece feels handcrafted with surgical precision. Unlike most premium SUVs that age like milk, the RX matures like fine wine. It keeps its silence, comfort, and smoothness for years without begging for repairs. It's not trying to impress you with speed. It's here to remind you that true luxury is peace of mind. 4. Subaru Outback, the loyal explorer. The Subaru Outback is for people who drive through life, not around it. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive isn't a feature, it's a philosophy. Designed to handle snow, rain, and dirt effortlessly, it survives where other SUVs beg for mercy. The Outback doesn't seek attention. It earns respect through performance and endurance. This is reliability born from real-world struggle, not marketing brochures. 5. Mazda CX-5, the elegant underdog. The Mazda CX-5 is quiet, precise, and dangerously underestimated. It doesn't need to shout, because it's built with surgical craftsmanship, tight engineering, balanced mechanics, and zero drama. No random lights, no costly surprises, just pure mechanical honesty. It's the kind of car that rewards patience and loyalty. The longer you own it, the more you realize it never needed to prove itself. So here's the truth. Reliability isn't sexy. Until the day your SUV won't start, your mechanic starts guessing, and your wallet starts crying. That's when you realize it's not the screen size, not the horsepower, it's the trust you paid for. The peace of knowing your car won't betray you halfway through life. Now, here's what I want to know. Which one of these SUVs do you trust the most? Are you Team Toyota, the symbol of unshakable dependability? Team Lexus, the quiet king of luxury? Or maybe you're the kind of driver who swears by Subaru's rugged loyalty or Mazda's precision craft? Comment below with the SUV that's never failed you, or the one that broke your trust. Because sometimes, the best car reviews aren't written by experts. They're written by survivors.